Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the monitor and system talking. First, make sure the second monitor is plugged in, selected as extended or mirrored, and turned on. You want a visible image. Once done, locate the monitor's physical controls, buttons, a joystick, or menus, because hardware controls often give the fastest brightness change. Also open your computer's display settings, Windows display settings, or macOS system preferences, so you can switch to software control if the hardware menu is limited. Now adjust brightness using both hardware and software paths. Use the monitor's on-screen display to find brightness or picture presets. Press the joystick or buttons and change levels stepwise so you can see real-time effect. If you prefer software, select the second monitor in Windows display settings and slide brightness, or on Mac OS, pick the external display in displays and move its brightness control. If brightness options are dim or grayed out, make sure correct drivers or monitor profiles are installed before continuing. Finish by tweaking and fixing problems. Install the monitor's driver or ICC profile and update your GPU driver to unlock full brightness control. Manufacturer utilities give finer steps and presets. If color or brightness still isn't right, switch cables or ports, power cycle the monitor, and test with a second device to isolate the issue. If nothing works, reset the monitor to factory defaults in the OSD. One key troubleshooting tip. If brightness controls are unavailable, check for a USB or signal cable that carries HDR or DDC/CI commands and enable DDC/CI in the monitor menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.